Hi, hello, this is Narasimhu Prasad. Are you looking for website design and development services? iBase IT Digital Solutions has been building powerful digital experiences for businesses across India and around the world. Established in 2009, we are a trusted digital solutions provider and a proud part of Narasimhu Prasad Digital Private Limited. We create modern, clean, and mobile-friendly websites that deliver seamless user experiences. Our creative branding team designs unique and professional logos that reflect your brand identity. From corporate websites to blogs and custom portals, our expert WordPress development delivers speed, security, and scalability. Give your existing website a fresh, modern look with improved performance and better conversion. We keep your website secure, updated, and running smoothly so you can focus on your business. Fast, secure, and reliable hosting with domain registration and SSL installation, all under one roof. With more than a decade of experience, a passionate team, and a commitment to quality, iBase IT Digital Solutions delivers digital excellence that helps your business grow. Ready to take your business to the next level? Contact iBase IT Digital Solutions today, your trusted partner for website design, development, and digital growth. Thank you.
Hey, wait. Like करो, subscribe करो, click on bell icon for latest videos.